OnePlus makes great Android smartphones, but over the past few years, their flagship's asking prices have been creeping higher and higher. Now though, the company's introduced a brand new phone series that wants to blend premium features with a reasonable price. Hi, this is Richard Friday from Tom's Guide, and this is a hands-on with the OnePlus Nord. The newly announced OnePlus Nord has a starting price of £379, but the more expensive model we have here goes for £469 instead. The reason we have to use pound sterling here is because the OnePlus Nord is only available in Europe and India, with the US release possibly on the horizon based on recent comments made by senior figures at OnePlus. For now though, these prices put the phone in roughly the same bracket as the iPhone SE and the Pixel 3a. Two very good mid-range phones that nonetheless have some good reasons to be scared of OnePlus's newest family member. This is one of the two colours the Nord is available in, blue marble, with the other being grey onyx. I really prefer this colour though, as the blue back and the subtly tinted metal trim really makes the phone look and feel more expensive than it is. Plus it helps it stand out compared to the common black, grey and white colours you often see phones come in. Aside from the colour, the design features a curved glass back with a vertical line of cameras, and on the front a near bezel-less display with only the dual selfie cameras taking up space. But we'll get to them in a moment. The display is a 6.44-inch AMOLED panel with a full HD resolution and a 90Hz refresh rate. That's a lot of awesome tech for the price, giving you a colourful, bright and smooth experience whether you're browsing social media or watching videos. The rear camera block, set to the left side of the phone's back instead of OnePlus's traditional centre-aligned block, is made up of 4 sensors. Starting at the top, you have a 48-megapixel main camera, then an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 5-megapixel depth sensor for improved photo effects, and a 2-megapixel macro camera for extreme close-ups. On the front, you have another 2 cameras in the punch-hole notch, a 32-megapixel main sensor, and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide sensor for when you want to fit in as much as possible into your selfies. Overall, that's 6 cameras, which is one more than even the OnePlus 8 Pro has, and a massive 4 extra compared to the iPhone SE or Pixel 3a. Combined with its included nightscape low-light photography mode, the Nord looks like it could be an excellent handset for smartphone photographers. The Nord runs on a Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G chipset, with either 8GB of RAM or 12GB of RAM depending on which version you pick up. The 765G chip is plenty powerful and means the phone has 5G connectivity, but it will not match up to the more expensive flagship-level chipsets like the Snapdragon 865 or Apple's A13 chips found in the most recent iPhones, including the iPhone SE. There's a large 4,115 mAh battery inside the Nord, which you can then fill up with OnePlus's 30-watt warp charge wired charger. OnePlus claims you can fill the phone to 70% full in just 30 minutes. And with a battery of that size, you should find the Nord will easily survive a day's average usage, or perhaps even longer if you're careful with how you use it. OnePlus has given the Nord the same Oxygen OS 10.5 operating system as the OnePlus 8 series, which is one of our favourite versions of Android 10. It's attractive to look at, both stationary and in motion thanks to some well-designed animations, and features very few pre-installed apps, meaning your home screens will only have the apps you want and need from the get-go. The Nord looks like it's going to be a dangerous rival for Apple and Google, offering some flagship-worthy tech at a very attractive price. This is all we can show you for now, but make sure to check back in soon with us here at Tom's Guide for a full review of the OnePlus Nord.